Hello, Mr. Johnson here with my first DIY maths problem video. So I've been meaning to get around for this for a while. The problem is we've got a hole by our back door that needs filling. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the hole by the back door. There it is. Occasionally a little wood louse, there are a couple down there, get into the house. So we need to stop them doing that. So what I've done is I bought some cement. But there's quite a bit of maths about cement with ratios. So here is my problem. My cement problem. I've got 2.5 kilograms of cement. To fill the hole, I need 7/25 of the cement mix, plus some water. The ratio of cement mix to water is 5 grams to 2 grams. 1 gram of water is the same as 1 milliliter of water. How many milliliters of water do I need to make the cement? Email the answers and workings to me. Class chance for the correct answers. Good luck. Good luck with that. Bye.